Today I'm gonna remove and replace the alternator in a Honda Civic. Right, so the first thing you're gonna do is remove the negative terminal from the battery. However, I'm gonna show you what I did first. Okay, in this book you can actually find how to do it. Right, I show you step by step how to replace the alternator. Right, that's the alternator, guys. The reason why I'm replacing this alternator because it's not charging the battery, right? So whenever the car is running and I turn on like the headlights, the air condition, you know what I mean? The car is like stalling and want to shut off, right? So I done all the tests what I did before I decided to change this. I actually used one of these multimeters and I connected to the battery, and then as it said in the book, it should be 13.5 to 14.8 volt when the car is running, okay? But whenever like I turn on the air conditioner or the headlights or anything, the volts drop to like 10, right? So in this case, I'm going to change the alternator because I think that's the main suspect why I'm getting low voltage because that's a new battery. So I think that's a suspect. And as I said, I'll show you step by step. Like the first thing you're supposed to do is remove the positive caps from these, right? And first you move the negative. You can take this one off, right? In this case, you can take both of them if you want to. Okay, but sometimes if you take this off, the positive, yeah, sometimes it could trip your radio or some stuff like that, I heard. But in this case, it doesn't matter to me. So as you can see, guys, listen, if you have a Honda Civic, you know, it's good if you get one of these books, right? It could show you could pause it and take a screenshot on how to do it there, right? Step by step. Okay, so let me just give you a quick overall how you do that. And now up top, that would be the symptoms, right? So that's the symptoms I'm actually having. Okay. Anyway, that said, guys, let's get into it. The tools I'm gonna need for this, I got a couple of tools I'm gonna use. What I did to release the tensioner, right? The tensioner is just right. I'm just turning this light. I should get my lights on, right? That's the tensioner. You're gonna push that there, like towards the car, right? And that's a 19. Yeah, that's a 19 spanner. There you go. So that's a tensioner thing. So you're gonna get a 19. There you go. I got my 19 right here. Okay. So you're gonna use one of these. And you're gonna put over it like so, right? Oh. And you need to push this. Huh. There you go. How am I gonna get that out now? Only 19 fell between there. Wow, great. Okay, so you put your 19 and then you're gonna push that to the back slowly because there's a piston right here. There's a piston just between right here that you just need to push so you can release this belt, right? When you release this belt, you're just gonna take it off, put it to the side there, right? You don't want to take it completely off because it's hard to get back this belt around all those pulleys and stuff. So I won't let it slip off any pulley. So I'm just gonna take it off and right. Guys, I could see my 19 spanner there. There you go. I got my 19. How did I get that? I got one of these. I just use a clothes hanger with a piece of magnet from an old speaker, and you could just use that to fish out a lot of things, you know, whatever screws or whatever drop between. You know, they actually sell magnetized something with magnet in it that you could actually get things. But in this case, guys, I don't have that, so I'll just make one of these. Right, why do I have this in it? Just in case it's somewhere, I just throw it, right? Alright guys, let's get on with the alternator replacement. Okay, I'm gonna take this off. This is like actually a 10. This is using a 10 spanner for this. So we're just gonna loosen up this one. Maybe it's not a 10. Maybe it's something smaller than that. It's actually a 10, guys. Alright, so just gonna take this off. The negative. So that's disconnected. Just use this to make it quicker. I guess they say you should remove the belt first, but I ain't gonna do that first. I'm gonna see if I can take these off the electrical things first. Just get them out of the way. This one clip in here. You can take this one off. And this, I think that need a number. I think you're gonna need a 10 as well to take that off. I'm a little bit skeptic about keeping that on, you know, that. Let me just take that off. Just for a peace of mind, guys, I just take this off. Right? Just completely take that off. Just for a peace of mind. Right? Put it over there like so. Right. So I take this off. So I'm going to take, I think this is for the air condition. I'm not sure, guys. You could check in the book. You could buy one of those books. If you really want to know what's what for, you can look in the book. Okay, let's take that off. That's a little bolt to hold on. Just put it over here. Now, just gonna take that off. Right? And this one now, I think this is just a clip. Hold this there. Okay. Don't want to break it. So let's see. Just underneath this thick piece of rubber. There you go. You know, let's check if any loose wires, and there's no loose wires in this. Right? So let's put that back like so. So these are loose, okay? So let's put those aside. Let's put those there. So now we're gonna see if we could take this out. And we're gonna replace it with this one. Alright, so we need that one out for this one. This one, alternator. Alright. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use the 19. I'm gonna use the 19 to hold on to the tensioner in here. Right, and I'm gonna see if I could push it forward just to release the belt. Right, but you need like 2 of these, like, but I can't. There's no way I could push this like that, so I need something else to hold this in. But I got an idea. Whoops. Got all that, guys. This car got a reputation of eating. So I'm just gonna put this in here. Got one of these, just gonna put this in here. And then this is just what's this? 16. Just put this in here. And then let's put this in here, and then I'm gonna hold this. So, and then I'm gonna push this up like that. Okay. So let's try if it's gonna work. Like so. Alright, so got one there. Let's put this in here now. Alright, let's see. Do it from that side. Remember, guys, you gotta push it to that way, towards the car. Yeah? Slowly. Yes, slowly. I can feel the pistons. Alright, it's all the way up now. I think it's all the way up. Will I be able to take this off? Nope. After some time, this is the bolt that comes out of it. And this one. So there's a long one and a short one. So the long one for the top, short one for the bottom. Right, so it's just a matter of after you take out the screws, just a matter of just taking this off. Just one, just pull it off like so. I think there's a 10 for that one as well, so just take this off. It's not 10 in there. Take this off. Just gonna put this right on top of the new one. Just there so you know where it comes from. Right? Just leave it there. Just put the new one aside. And then you just need to take out these little clips that hold the wires in. You can use a screwdriver, or you can just pinch it and push it out. I'm just gonna try and pinch it at the top, pinch the bottom. Go. Take it. Alright, so we're gonna remove these wires. Just do them, and then just gonna give it a little bit of pull. Right. Just give it a little bit of pull. There you go. That's it. That's the old one. So we're gonna take off this shield, this metal shield. I'm going to take this off. Okay. And then I'm going to put it together. We're going to take this one off and I'm going to put it to the new one. Okay. Take off that one. So that's the heat shield. It doesn't come with the new one. Guys, this shield doesn't come with the new one. Okay. So, alright, so this shield doesn't come with the new one, so you need to take the shield off. Start the heat shield. So you're going to take it, you're going to put it straight in this one. Right, just there. Just a swap over. Right, just catch it. Up, so take this one out. That's the old one. And down here. See, this is the original from Honda. Okay. And this little piece, I might have to take that off as well, because this one doesn't have it in the back. So I need to take that off. Just gonna put it right here. So take this off. And what you can do, guys, what I did, take off this, was on the original one. Take off the heat shield, take this off. The heat shield, take off this little stand thing. Alright, just need to tighten that up. Just tighten that up. There we go. Just take off everything and just match them up, right? Just match them up just to see that's the correct thing, you know? Alright, so what we're gonna do, we're just gonna pop this one back in there. Right, so just gonna put this one, as you can see, the inside there. That's what it is. That's the tensioner I was giving me trouble. That's that tensioner, right? And that's the piston. You need to pull that back, right? Pull back the tensioner to release the belt. So that's the thing you need to pull back, and that's the piston, right? So when you're gonna reinstall this, you need to make sure that all the belt line up on those, okay, and that one around there too, right? Make sure they all line up correctly before you release the tensioner.